Don't let the word micro fool you. The Jayco Jay Feather Micro may be compact, but it delivers big when it comes to comfort, durability, and features. This isn't just another small travel trailer. It's an ultra lightweight powerhouse built to make camping as easy as hitching up and hitting the road. I'll take you through everything that makes this rig special, inside and out, then we'll get into construction and what kind of vehicle you'll need to tow one. So let's check it out. Step inside and you're immediately in the heart of the action, the living area and kitchen. No wasted space, no awkward layouts, just smart design that makes the most of every inch. If you're anything like me, your first thought is food, so let's start with the kitchen. Every Jay Feather Micro comes with residential style seamless countertops, giving you plenty of prep space to work with. The decorative backsplash adds a touch of style, but the real MVP here is the stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet and pull-out sprayer. The sink cover doubles as extra prep space, and if you flip it over, it even works as a cutting board. Cooking is a breeze thanks to the Envision appliance package, which includes a 3-burner cooktop and microwave. Want to step it up? You can opt for the convection microwave to get that oven functionality without taking up extra space. And let's not forget about cold storage. The 11 cubic foot 12-volt fridge is huge for a trailer this size. With double doors and a dedicated freezer compartment, you've got plenty of room for everything from road trip snacks to a week's worth of groceries. Storage isn't an afterthought here either. The oversized cabinetry is built tough, with screwed and glued cabinet styles, handcrafted hardwood doors, and hidden hinges. Even the drawer fronts are solid hardwood, with full extension guides that hold up to 75 pounds. So go ahead, pack them full. Just a few steps over, the living area is designed for comfort. The booth dinette with 4-inch high-density cushions makes a great spot to eat, work, or just hang out. If you prefer more flexibility, some models swap the dinette for a jackknife sofa, and certain floor plans feature a versatile Murphy bed system that transforms from a sofa by day to a queen bed at night. And storage is everywhere. You'll even find extra room under the jackknife sofa. No matter which setup you choose, staying comfortable is easy in any weather. The Jay Feather Micro comes with a 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC, and if you want to up the cooling power, you can opt for the 15,000 BTU Mach Quiet Series AC. Heat isn't an issue either. The high-output auto-ignition LP furnace keeps you warm when temperatures drop. Blocking out the sun, or nosy neighbors, is effortless thanks to the dark decorative roller shades with the reflective barrier. Not only do they give you total privacy at night, but during the day, they help keep the interior cool by working with the tinted safety glass windows to repel heat. You need a little more airflow? The 14-inch Max Micro Power roof vent keeps the breeze moving. For entertainment, the Jay Feather Micro has you covered. A 32-inch LED TV comes standard, complete with a built-in JBL soundbar and an AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. And of course, USB charging ports are placed throughout the trailer because in today's world, keeping devices powered is just as important as keeping the fridge stocked. Now, let's talk bathroom. It's compact but smartly designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. The roller-style pull-screen shower door keeps things neat, while the skylight above the shower adds both extra headroom and natural light. No need to rush through your shower either. The 60,000 BTU tankless water heater makes sure you have hot water on demand. If you're boondocking, the 55-gallon freshwater tank gives you enough supply to stretch your off-grid adventures. The seamless countertop with an integrated stainless steel sink and high-rise faucet adds a sleek touch. To keep moisture in check, another 14-inch power roof vent helps circulate air and prevent steam buildup. Since this is a smaller travel trailer, there's no traditional private primary bedroom, but that doesn't mean you'll be uncomfortable. Depending on the floor plan, you'll get either a queen bed, full bed, or a Murphy bed. The Murphy bed is a favorite for maximizing space, acting as a jackknife sofa during the day and a queen bed at night. Storage is impressive for a micro trailer. Some models include 1 or 2 mirrored wardrobe closets, shelves, overhead cabinets, and drawers. USB ports and power outlets are right where you need them, whether you're charging a phone or plugging in a CPAP machine. If you're opting for a bunk model, the bunks are reinforced and built to handle serious weight. 300 pounds for the twin bunks and up to 600 pounds for the double. Okay, now let's step outside and check out what makes the Jay Feather Micro's exterior just as functional as its interior. Entry is smooth and stable with the LCI solid step fold-down aluminum tread steps. Up front, The power tongue jack makes hitching and unhitching a breeze, and right behind it, you'll find the dual LP bottles. Two 20-pounders come standard, but you can upgrade to 30-pound tanks if you need more propane. Keeping your battery in top shape is simple with the battery quick disconnect, and for off-grid capability, the Overlander 1 solar package comes standard with a 200-watt panel and a 30-amp digital controller. Want even more power? The Overlander 2 upgrade bumps you up to two 200-watt panels and an 1800-watt inverter. Stability is covered with Lippert quick drop jacks, which power drill down 3 times faster than manual jacks. The front slam latch baggage doors provide easy access to exterior storage, and the power awning with LED lighting keeps your outdoor space cool and comfortable. Rolling on automotive-style aluminum rims with radial tires, the Jay Feather Micro also includes self-adjusting electric brakes and an undermounted spare tire. A TPMS system monitored through an app helps you stay informed about your tire pressure before any issues arise. For outdoor cooking, the J-Port LP Quick Connect and 17-inch griddle make it easy to flip pancakes right at the campsite. Moving to the rear, a roof access ladder gives you the ability to check your roof or just take in the view. You can also opt for an accessory roof rack, perfect for bringing along kayaks or extra gear. A 2-inch receiver hitch lets you tow additional toys, and both rear and side backup camera prep ensures you're ready for whatever the road throws your way. Built for adventure, the Jay Feather Micro is designed to handle the elements. The Climate Shield Radiant Barrier Insulation System keeps temperatures comfortable whether it's 0 or 100 degrees outside, with forced heat ducts extending into the enclosed underbelly to prevent freezing. On the construction side, the Norco Z-frame with an integrated A-frame provides a solid foundation. The 2-inch Stronghold VBL floor and double-sided Asdel composite walls add strength while keeping weight down. The front cap is aerodynamically shaped with aluminum framing and front and rear diamond plating for extra durability. To top it all off, the PVC roofing membrane comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So, what do you need to tow it? Well, with dry weights ranging from 3,800 to 4,500 pounds, the Jay Feather Micro is easily towable by many SUVs and mid-sized trucks. Models on the lighter end can be pulled by a Nissan Pathfinder or Jeep Grand Cherokee, while Toyota Sequoias and Dodge Durangos make easy work of heavier models. Mid-sized trucks like the Chevy Colorado and Ford Ranger can tow it without breaking a sweat. If you're unsure about your vehicle's limits, stop by a Camping World and let the experts figure it out for you, while you take a Jay Feather Micro for a spin. Happy hunting and even happier camping.